Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I got for you a 1992 Coleman Americana Williamsburg by Fleetwood. There's a lot of information there. Needs a little love. Nothing that someone motivated can't take care of. It's got a lot of space in here, actually. This might be a king-size bed. Lights falling down. Needs a little roof work. AC units up there, but no cover. We got the stove. We got some water accessories. Some sponges. Oh, you're gonna like those for cleaning your dishes. Measuring cup. One single dish. Yeah, I mean, I found this thing out in Illinois. Cranking systems down here. Little storage, I guess. Little storage for some shoes. Definitely need some roof work here. Looks like they started on some little project. I don't know. Got a slight tear in the Velcro here. Maybe it'll be sewn, I don't know. No propane tank, no battery. Here's it from the driver's side. Take you over here. Look at some of the compartments. Looks like it got hit right here. I don't know, probably dragged against something. Got some aftermarket latches here. Alright. Got your water inlet. Here, you got your hot water heater. Americana. All right, thanks, please. Look at that. It's got potential, right? Anyhow, leave a comment below. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you like. Should I fix it? Or should I sell it? Talk to you guys later.